So hello there. Look at me here. So I have to see where it's not blurry. This is a new Samsung SD card I got for my new camera, right? So the GoPro Hero 11 does a 120 megabit a second. 120 megabit. The Hero 10 does 10 megabit a second. 10. And I'm gonna take this out of the package here. Then I'm gonna format it. And then I put this into that camera there. And then I'm going to show you if this camera is good enough, if this SD card is good enough to run in any of those GoPro cameras. I will put the bitrate of this camera right there. I'm going to pop up a screen here, there, where here, there it is. That's the bitrate of this camera in a moment. And we are going to use this SD card and see if this can handle it. It's 120 megabyte per second up to. Up to doesn't mean it does it all the time. Maybe it's not working. We will see. This camera there will turn off if it skips frames. That's how I put the settings. Instead of an error message, I will make it stop recording. Okay, now let's see how we get in here. I'm just cutting through this easy. Here, here, and here. Now, we don't want this to fly around. Look at this. This is not coming out easy. Oh, there it is. And here. So this camera there, that camera, takes SD cards. Like this size SD cards. Yeah, it comes with the camera. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Let me focus on this. Here. Where is the focus point? Here, look at that. And there I have this little, look. This is how the SD card looks like, 250, and you insert it here, like this, and then it goes into the camera. Boom. So there it is. 120 megabyte a second is the maximum on that card. And if the camera is going, and if it doesn't stop, then that SD card can handle that data rate, okay? So let's take a quick peek here how this works. I'm gonna go here. The Steve WB wanted to know how this works. How is the color of this here? This is my stand. You have to remove it before you play. And you know what? This is a trumpet from Germany. And of course, if you wanted to, you can put in those gloves. So when you play in a band, I don't know, does it have a thumb in here? Yeah, this one. It's probably for small, little, tiny German fingers. Not for me, right? Look at this. Ah, that's where you don't make fingerprints here. Well, that does not work well for me here. Yeah, there we go. Look at this. Okay, get ready? You expect me to play really hard. It's too loud for my microphone. I have to turn that down a little bit. Is that bad? that was how much I can play. This was for Steve WB, special solo. And I just need to tell you, I am starting classes for this soon. Okay? But you saw, I can do it, right? Look at that. I think I woke all the neighbors up. I'm gonna practice this at 5 a.m. every Sunday morning. You know? And I go from there. I like this trumpet and also the case for it. Here, this is one from Thomann. And you can make this thing in the backpack. Look at this. This is like really, so you clap this over here and then you have those straps and then you have a backpack where you can carry it with. And if you don't want backpack style, just clamp this in here. You can carry it like, or put it like this. There's like feet underneath here and there. You can stand it up like this, right? There's this little extra pocket up front for stuff. Very good. So I really do hope you liked my video, and I see you in the next one.